Hi and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use Pyrit. Pyrit is a tool that uses all the cores in your system to help speed up the cracking process. Now if you want to see how many cores you have, just type Pyrit list underscore cores. First make sure you have a capture file and the word list. And then type Pyrit-R and your capture file, and -I and the word list, and then attack pass-through. This method is much faster compared to aircrack, because with aircrack is only going to use one core. Now let's see a much faster method. So go ahead and type Pyrit-I and your password list, and then import passwords. And now it's going to import all the passwords from the file into the Pyrit database. Next you need to add the SSID of the network using Pyrit-E and the name of your network, and then create ESSID. Now type Pyrit eval to get an overview of everything, and you can see the SSID and the passwords. So go ahead and type Pyrit batch to start processing those passwords. This process can take some time, depending on how big is your dictionary file. Okay, so once it's done batch processing, you can launch the attack by typing Pyrit-R for the capture file and then attack db. This is by far the fastest method. And lastly, if you feel like you want to clean up your database, type Pyrit-E Skynet delete ESSID. And to delete all the passwords from database, type rm-rf.pyrit blob space password. And now I have 0 passwords and no networks. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.